Hello, my family. Una kusha in Cabo. How una dey do? I hope una dey do fine. Una try may you take the national ID card. They don't dey carry this information always. If you dey na salon, make sure say may you try you take the national ID card because it will really help you out because it get for reach a time. But good thing anyway you get for do. If you not get a national ID card, it get for affect you. So for me, not wait for that day. Try all out and then try to take that national ID card because it will really help you out for shape you. For me, able to think the way they do that make me family them try for me to take the national ID card because it's very important. The national ID card they get number they also whether they call N9 but something like that. So it deal with all the information when you get a national ID card where they don't digitalize now. Therefore, the user until you pass away. So there, my family, that's an update. We go count for to always because we don't want we will enforce any law for make it affect to so there. Wanna try make una be that this make una be inside the system. How na for go try for register. Yes, I know say a very troublesome the crowd, the people and the delay, but make sure that you do to time so that you go in at the system where it will affect you at the end of the day. Now, NCRA they always take out information for let people they try for take that information. They say public notice restoration of NCRA National Automated Biometric Identification System, what they call an ABIS. So do if you in a salon, try make it go all out. Let it be part of the system because when they go enforce, they go begin stop people away for go take money now bank. They say no, you know the ID card. That cry day 9 in okay fine. So no wait for let that cry day meet you. Now that make now you for go all out, let you try. You then at the system so that everything will work very well for you. And all this way that they do now for let no more people are able to get better services them. So here again, I will just read the last paragraph with them put because the upside is not clear much. I will read the last one. They say the NCRA wish to assure the general public of its unwavering commitment to providing on interruption civic registration and identifying management service to citizen and non-citizen resident in Sierra Leone. I don't read all, but it's not clear. So I make us say the read the last paragraph. But the motive now so I for let people they try take the national ID card. May they take it serious. May they go all out for take it because when they go begin enforce the law, I for let you know say hey. I not be no or I not be this because they always bring information say una go take una ID card. It's about time you go all out, make it get your ID card. For you just as a citizen get that responsibility. Other part of the world, anything we want to do now with the ID card. If you don't get it, you know the door. So it take up obvious because you know say you get for needed services. So they are just like salon back. Now that make try for go all out, may you get the system. Because they don't always bring information and this at the end of the day you know say you know be no so now that make we then also for bring the information they are told now because if you say you need for know and you need for take that for be part of you so do ya if you not take it try make you take because we not go away the time reach for let anything inconvenience with you. Okay, so I want to thank you.